Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table in Google Docs all the same size. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I make table in this document and all the same size. Just go to insert menu. Now you can see here a table option. Just draw your table. Now increase the border width of this table. Now I click 4.5 pt. Now I just select this table and just right click on this selected table. Now press copy. Now paste this table on here. Control V. Just press Control V on your keyboard. Now you can see I make table in Google Docs all the same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for